Hi, Josh. It's Miss Jen again. So today we have a story we're going to read, and we're going to do a few activities. First, we're going to do work, then we're going to play. So our story here is What Does Paris Hear? And it's a story about a girl named Paris who's right here, and she uses her ears to hear things. It is, oops, sorry, Josh. It is morning. Paris is in bed. The house is silent. So what does she hear? It's quiet. Shh. She doesn't hear anything because she's sleeping. It's so quiet. Paris hears a tap, but the tap is quiet. It's not loud. It's quiet. Tap, tap, tap. Paris hears a swish, 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 and it's loud. Look how loud that is. It's loud. Paris hears a bang, 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 and the bang is so loud. The end. That was the end of our story. So let's see what's next. Oh, look, Josh. It's time for Steve and Maggie. There he is. He has something on his nose. I wonder what it is. It's a party. Wow, it's a party. I want to see more Steve and Maggie, but let's keep working. Hmm. What does Paris hear? Do you remember what she heard? I want you to touch the screen. Did she hear colors, sounds, or food? What did she hear? What was it? Touch it now. Yes, good job. She heard sounds. Excellent. Oh, here's another question. What does the bang, bang, bang sound like? Was it quiet? Was it bright? Or was it loud? Touch the screen. How did the bang, bang, bang sound? Yes, you're right. It was loud, so loud. Now we have to sort. I'm going to show you a picture and you're going to tell me if it's something you hear or something you see. Is it a sound or a light? First picture is a sun. Is the sun something you hear or is it something you see? Where does sun go? Yes, it's something you see. Good job. Oh, nice working. Here we go.
Boys and girls, sorry, but I love chocolate. Do you? Well, hey, look, it's party time. Look at all this party food.
What do you see? Cookies? Donuts. Mmm. Nice job. I wonder what's going to happen next. Let's do some more work and find out. Oh, now we have to do some counting. So we need to count the flashlights and pick which number it is. Josh, these are bigger numbers, so I'm going to touch and whisper count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can you touch the number 13? Is it this one, or this one? Where's number 13? This is number 13. Good try, Josh. Another counting activity, and then we get to watch the video again, I think. Let's count the lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you find the number 8? Look carefully and touch it fast. The number 8 is right here. Nice job, Josh. We're finished. So we can watch some more videos. Here we go. Look at that bird. He's so funny. He's a funny bird. And balloons. Can you say balloons? Bye, balloons. Okay, Josh, our class is over, but if you want to watch more video, you can ask your mom. You can say more Steve or more Maggie. Bye, Josh. You did great.